Water is destructive to consumer electronics because it leads to corrosion. In order to have corrosion, you have to have water, something for ions to move in. You have to have ions, and you have to have electricity. All of our consumer electronics run on batteries and electricity, and if you drop it in water, you've got the third thing you need. Consumer electronics are becoming ubiquitous. We find them in all aspects of our life. We're taking them everywhere with us, and a lot of the things in the world that we encounter, from our electricity meters to our cars to even the toys that our kids play with, are increasingly having electronics in them. Designing a device to be waterproof ideally starts at the beginning when you're designing it. It's very important to define exactly how waterproof you need that to be. Is this going to be splash proof? Is this going to be submersible to 30 meters? You have to pick the protection strategy you're going to use based on the environment you expect it to be used in. A mechanical seal may be good enough sometimes. A simple hydrophobic coating may be good enough for a splash-proof device. Some of our customers design their device to entirely keep water out, trying to make it as robust as possible. And the HCO coatings are on the inside as a backup protection to really increase the reliability of the product. Other customers design the product so that water can freely flow in and out, relying on HCO's protection level at the start in order to fully protect the device.